Hey guys, how are you doing? This is IS and I'm back here with a brand new video. So today I'm gonna give you a wedding preset pack which has over 60 plus preset. So before we start, like this video and let's get started. So first go to description and open the download link. Okay, after opening the link you will see something like this. Now scroll up and then take that box I am not robot and verify that you are not robot. Okay, now click on continue. Now again scroll up and wait for 5 seconds. When you click on get link you will see pop-up ad like this. So close the pop-up ad by closing the tab or by clicking the back arrow, and you might be see multiple pop-up ad. Close them all until you see something like this. Now click OK. This will take you to the main site. Okay, now click on the three dot and download the preset. I have already downloaded the preset. Now I'm opening file manager app. I'm using ES File Explorer. Now select the zip file, click on the more and then click on extract to. Click on OK. Now it will require password and the password is 𝗘𝗱𝗶𝗁𝗘 and click OK. Here you can see a folder IH waiting. Sorry. Now here is the preset. Here you can see all of them are here. Now select the folder. Now I'm gonna cut it. You can copy it and copy it to Android data, not to mobile files, documents, this folder, yes, and profile and settings, then user style. Paste the folder here. Okay, now you can close this app. I'm opening Lightroom mobile app. I'm gonna open a photo. Now go to the preset panel. Here you can see the IS wedding 90K special 64 preset. Okay guys, now I'm gonna apply this preset on some photos, so enjoy. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you, then don't forget to like this video, share with your friend and leave a comment. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.